Hello traders, in this video we are taking a look at the FNCD indicator for MT4. We'll cover how its histogram appears in the sub window and what the green and red bars imply about trend direction and potential reversal zones, and how this tool follows the market's overall movements. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the charts so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow the LL imports. Alright, there we have it. As you can see, the FNCD indicator plus a series of histogram bars in a separate sub-window beneath the main price chart, with bars extending into positive and negative territory. When the histogram bars are green, as you can see over here and here as well, and above the zero line, as you can see here, the indicator is signaling bullish conditions in an uptrending market environment. When the histogram bars are red and below the zero line, as you can see over here and here, it is signaling bearish conditions in a downtrending environment. The height of the bars reflects the strength of the move. Larger bars indicate stronger momentum, while smaller bars show weakening conditions and possible early signs that the trend may be losing steam. In practice, traders watch for transitions in bar color and position, treating green above zero phases as potential buy zones and red below zero phases as potential sell zones, always within the broader context of trend direction. As for the indicator settings, our customizable settings include the FN, the deviation, the fast EMA, and the slow EMA as well. You can also choose your preferred colors for how the histograms in the separate sub window appear, so they stand out clearly with your underlying MT4 chart theme. So who is the indicator for and what are its limitations? The FNCD indicator is suited to traders who like a simple color-coded histogram view of trend direction and strength rather than more complex multi-line oscillators. It can be particularly appealing for newer traders because its basic rules, green bars above zero in an uptrend and red bars below zero in a downtrend, are easy to understand. The indicator is an analytical tool only and does not execute or manage trades on MT4. As with any momentum style histogram, signals can be less reliable in sideways markets, and not every green or red bar should automatically be treated as a trade. Context, confirmation tools, and risk management remain essential. The download link for the FNCD indicator for MT4 is in the description below. You can read more about how it works and see example charts on the Forex Geek. If you like more videos on histogram style trend indicators, remember to subscribe and turn on notifications.